What am I doing with my life? Hello there. So a few months ago I created this artwork making poster for movie Blade Runner 2049 in style from Cyberpunk 2077. For sure you've seen that cover from Edge magazine, which is really dope in my opinion. Yeah, so that was the reference image, and here is my interpretation. I was really happy with that piece of design, and now I wanted to recreate it and make some improvements. Because we have a special occasion, premiere of Cyberpunk, and finally after all this time and pushing date we can play in this thing. Hopefully it's great, leave your opinion if you played it already. But let's get to the artwork. I'll explain briefly what I did here, and after that you can enjoy my speed art without commentary. To create this poster I used Photoshop and Illustrator. I took a picture of Ryan Gosling from the movie. In Photoshop I removed the background and raindrops from Ryan's face and coat. Also I had to give him that range of colors like in the reference image. After that I moved to Illustrator because making all those blocks, glitches, you name them, it's so much easier here. Okay, that's it from me, and now you can see the whole process, and no worries, I skipped all boring stuff like using lasso tool while removing background, because who wants to watch that? And here it is, a final piece. So what you think? Leave your opinion down below, and you can always leave your proposition to the next design. Always open for any suggestion from you. And thank you very much for watching. I hope it was helpful for you, and if you enjoy content like this, please subscribe, leave a like, and drop me a comment down below with your opinion, feedback, or any suggestion. It will be much appreciated. Take care and have a good night.